lecture series, we are going to see one more example for depth first search DFS. So in DFS we will be using star. Let us start. This is example graph. For this I am going to perform depth first search. So no initial node or source node is given. So I am starting with the alphabetical order A. So A initially I am inserting it into this stack. Now I want to pop it. I am making A as visitor. If I want to pop out it from the stack, I want to find out who are all the neighbors of A. The neighbors of A are B and D. So B and D are the neighbors of A. Now I am popping A out and I am pushing the neighbors in. I should be cautious that I don't have any duplicates. This is my first step. I duplicates. Now the topmost element is B. I want to pop B out. I want to make it visitor. Then I want to find out the neighbors of B and I have to push it inside the stack. So from the graph, the neighbors of B are C and G. So A's neighbor is B. This side I don't have a arrow. So the neighbors of B are E, G and C. These are my neighbors of B. I am pushing it inside after popping B outside. Now the topmost element is C. So I am having only one neighbor A. A is already visited. So I can just pop out C. Now the topmost element is E. So I am checking the neighbors for E. The neighbor of E is H. So H is not visited yet. So I am NQE or I am pushing H inside the stack and I am popping out E. Now the topmost is H. So before popping out, after popping out H, I have to push the neighbors of H. So from the graph, the neighbors of H are G and F. G is already visited. We have already. So I have to push only F. So I have popped out H and I have pushed F. Now the topmost element is F. I don't have any neighbors for F. So I can F. Now the next iteration, G is the topmost element. G's neighbor is F, which is already visited, so I can pop out G. Then lastly I am having D. D's neighbor is C. C is also already visited, so I can pop out D. So unless or until I am getting my stack empty, I am repeating the process again and again. I am popping one element, I am pushing in. Then the topmost element I am popping out. Then who are all the neighbors of that? I am pushing it inside. While pushing it inside, I am very cautious that I don't push any duplicates. One element should be inside once. For that I am making the node visitor. This is how you have to perform DFS. Thank you. Stay tuned to Eezytutorials to watch more lecture series on